Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 1000 plus overlay files for Photoshop, and also you can use on mobile photo editor app. Okay, but these are protected. First you need subscription. For access of my all file, go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription, one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, sunlight overlay. I know you know how to customize or how to use on Photoshop Fire, and here Folk Golden Light overlay bundle with different categories: autumn leaves, film frame, light leaks, natural light, rain overlay, snow overlay, next, and silver with two different files, JPG and PNG. Sky photos, amazing, 197. All files are high definition. Next, smoke or light overlay. Next, these, and sun is shining overlay, sunset overlay, vintage overlay. So I open this one in Photoshop or this one. Now we need a photo. For example, I open any photo, drag there, click here and then click on screen. Okay, press U. You can customize color. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and need subscription for access of my all files. Take care, love,